Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix not charging to 100% on iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. You will see, click on battery. Now here you will see first option is battery health and charging. So click on battery health and charging. You will see, so battery charging, so turn on this button. You will see after turn on this button your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix not charging to 100% on iOS 26. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.